Hello, this video is to help you understand your rights as an employee of Central Oregon Community College under the Families First Coronavirus Response Act, or FFCRA. This document is the employee rights poster provided by the Department of Labor and is on the COCC website. Employees should understand that they are eligible for two different aspects under this act. One is to get paid sick leave if you qualify under some of these areas, and the other is to have extended family leave, again, if you qualify under some of these areas. The primary thing you need to understand is that if you are a full-time employee, you are eligible for 80 hours, up to 80 hours of paid sick leave at 100% of your pay for this first bullet point if you qualify under reasons 1 through 3 below. You get 2/3 of your pay if you qualify under reasons 4 and 6, and you can get up to 12 weeks of paid leave and expanded family leave at 2/3 of your pay for item number 5, which is child care option. At this time, COCC has made available and has sent out to all employees an email with instructions how to access the information on the COCC HR webpage under the HR forms area. If you have questions about the Act, you are welcome to call this number that is located here at the bottom right, or you may also send an email to cocc_hr@cocc.edu. We encourage employees to work with their supervisors to determine what hours in a given week you are eligible and available to work. This act goes into effect if you are unable to work. If you are already working and able to work from home, or even if you need to come to our campus for some parts of your work, then you are not eligible for this. It's only if you are unable to work due to some of these reasons. Please contact us if you have any questions, and thank you for your time.